Let's go. No lo quiere por mal.
If I ever let you down, it's probably because I grew a bit tired of carrying you.
Fuse is set and capacitors charged.
Hello, my friends.
Just the right button. We'll have ourselves a situation.
This is your champion.
Old man gaming.
Hey, it's all right to be afraid. Fear's normal when you're a wimp. I'm Jumpmaster. All right, if you insist.
Get this beautiful map.
Let's show these fools why they're. Bring the fun.
I need this sniper.
Exploring around here. I either got a hunch or it's gas.
I enhanced the weapon. I need. Got my weapon in hand. Banger.
Good. Watson, got something for you.
Ultimate accelerant here. First blood. You can't handle the heat. Stay out of the fire pit.
Ooh.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Please examine your map. I have found the next location of the hunt. 60 seconds to ring close. Shut down a cargo bot.
Good job, buddy.
A bot on some cargo over there. Could be good stuff. Got a vault key. Loot vault over there. Voila, I've got the key.
Online.
Voila.
All right then.
Other squads have been there. I can smell the desperation.
These guys really want to go there.
Got me a new upgrade. Can't wait to give it a spin.
I'll use this for good.
The idea.
Ring closing.
I'll add it to your tab.
Facing a gate.
Ooh, that was a high jump.
Oh, my ultimate is ready.
Go, go, go.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Facing
Are you guys friends or playing solo?
No kill leader. Bet they used a
Friend.
rampart for them shots.
Attention. Delivering care package.
care package coming in.
Dahoy, dahoy.
Another squad has been here.
No way.
Got a mark nearby. Over here.
Tossing Arcstar.
What?
Tossing Arcstar. Enemy taken down. Reloading. Enemy down. Alas.
Oh yeah, impressive kill.
Coffee man. Open the door.
Vaults open.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Oh, there's a portal here.
This way sound good? Cancel that, mate.
Here.
There's a portal here.
Mid range.
Probably going.
Mates, over there. Keeping an eye out for plonkers.
Yeah, there.
Got one. A bit too close for comfort.
Another squad.
Frag out.
Just topping off my shield.
100.
Reloading.
Ah, that's a different team, no? No, don't push.
Waiting for any crashes.
I'm dead. Oh,
Charging my shield.
Going out again.
what the?
Wasn't here. Got a mark here. Enemy shield cracked.
Getting shot at. Enemy down.
Attention. The kill leader has been eliminated.
Grenade, Kaijula.
Extended heavy mag here. Gold.
Phantom here.
There's an enemy.
I think she left.
Watching out, OT. Not a bad idea to catch them first for once.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
An attack. Tossing up some amped cover.
I think something's here.
Goes on.
There's a team behind, in front of us. They are two.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad.
We killed one of them.
New kill leader appointed.
Half the squad gone. Let's have fun with the rest.
They might be in front of us.
Enemy here. Up from another squad.
Enemy's shield.
Took down an enemy.
What?
Killed an enemy.
What the heck? Hello, guys. It doesn't charge our barrel shield.
Charging my shields.
Ring countdown.
Hey, not all of us are in the ring. Hurry up. Don't forget to wipe.
They're stupid.
Idea. Exchanging the enemy.
Bilkul.
Off the enemy shield. Reloading. Replicator coming down.
Come on, man.
Card is here to play. The mark's over here.
Coming.
Just topping off my shield.
Some plonkers shooting at me.
Always ready with the
I'm coming for you, mates.
healing my mark.
Kill this motherfucker.
Eyes over there. Attacked an enemy's shield.
Help me.
Down. Void nexus here.
Go, go, go,
Let's
go.
use it, yeah?
Fast.
Pulling you back in the safety of my
Go, go, go.
void nexus.
You also go.
Not used to taking bodies.
No way, man. Boss.
Just topping
Bad.
up my shield. Another eliminated champion. Bye-bye now.
Spotted an enemy there.
Shield is broken.
I swear they're stupid, bro.
I'm taking damage. Stay in position. Using my Phoenix kit. Already in the ring. What a relief.
Come on, brother, you got this. Oh my god, nice try, man. Unlucky. Oh, yes. Nos reventaron. ¿Qué pasa? Los vi yo solo. Los demás no estaban aquí conmigo. Unlucky, man. God damn it.
We don't need seatbelts.
And a run here from the shop. Can't say I don't work for my dosh.
You are the old man new here. Angelico. Welcome, brother. ¿Cuándo acabas? Hello, my friends. Old gamer here. How old are you? You sound so young.
22.
So young, man. 81 years old here. I'm slow, but I'm
Oh,
experienced. Trust me, trust me. You're awesome, bro. Many more hours, really? Too many hours? Nah, come on, man. We need you, we need you. It's sniping time. Woo, free loot.
Weapons looking pretty now.
Oh my god. That sucks, man. At least give me a key. No? Alright. Hopefully we're gonna
Love me an LMG.
we're gonna play today. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. Did you see where they landed? Sorry. I lost my voice.
It's good. I mark an enemy.
They are on me.
Bogey over there.
Building.
Get over at me. Fox 3, launching missile.
Está patroleando esos chavales. Se me fue la voz.
Extend a heavy mag here. Level 3. Killing us. Hold on.
My knight. Okay,
Wanna
on
push?
your knight. I can knock one of them with the sniper that we push.
New kill leader. Bet they haven't won yet.
Rings close. Got 30 seconds. Let's turn it up, mates.
Under fire. Bandit here.
Toss in a frag. Frag out.
Huge damage.
Crashing and burning over here.
Bro, the door, man. I was stuck with the door. I couldn't move. My teammate was closing the door. Oh my god, dude. I wasn't able to move. So bad. Did you see that? I couldn't move. I couldn't move. He was right behind me and the door was closing. Oh my god, that sucks. How many hours left for your night, brother? If it's 9 p.m. here, it should be like 1 p.m. for there. And you gotta work until what time? 8, 9? I think we'll have fun playing Apex. It's fun. Hello, my friends. Hello. So unlucky, dude. Ah, I was unable to move, dude. God damn it. Hell yeah. Are you surfer? What character should I choose, man? Should we go with Raid? Let's go Raid.
Don't hide from your fears.
There is something new with Raid. That when you open your portal, your teammates become invisible until you get in the portal.
We're still waiting. I'm gonna take a lap.
And GB is also changed.
Introducing your champion.
Provides blood in the water to a shark like me.
Cambiaron mucho el juego.
It's time. I'm the jump master.
I wanna go here.
Got a good feeling about this area. Dropping
And
in.
here I go.
You're in view of the enemy. I think I may have been spotted. I'm taking shots. Grenade. Going to phase. Recharging my shields.
We got company, people. Taking fire.
Jump down, jump down, jump, jump. Oh my god.
Let's displace here.
Going to phase.
Kevin! How about you, my brother? Are you safe, Bangalore?
Let's displace there.
Come,
Next
come,
ring's
come!
far.
Let's relocate there.
The ring's closing in one. We're not very close.
Got a hop.
They might have seen you.
On my marker.
There may be enemies around here, not sure. Ring's not too far. 45 left. Reloading. Enemy taken out.
Oh my god!
I'm taking shots.
Run!
We're close to the ring. 30 seconds left.
Got your little boyfriend!
1 second, we got this.
Good, yeah, just waiting for June UK vacation, no more school.
Give my shield a recharge.
Wanna get his banner. Can you stay here?
Smoke out.
Set it. Taking damage. Royal placed.
Double timing it.
Picked up our teammate's banner.
Ring's moving.
Run, bro, run, run, run! I got no ammo.
Regroup here.
What are you doing, man?
Broken enemy shield.
This guy is cheating, man.
Need to recharge my shields.
Woo! Oh my goodness, man, this guy's cheating.
Care package coming in. Getting shot at.
Oh,
Recharging my shields.
I didn't mean to push them.
Need to recharge my shields.
Oh my god, they are chasing me?
I'm hurt. I should heal. We should step.
They have a Valkyrie, they know I'm here.
Bye. And that's how you get the job done.
Avoid jumping.
Oh my god, this is so nervous. Oh, this is Apex Legends, bro. Apex Legends.
Good. Got my ultimate ready. I'm hurt. I should heal up. Setting a portal. Portal placed. Throw my grenade out. Better patch myself up. I'm pretty hurt.
Oh my god.
Kill leader eliminated.
Just using a Phoenix kit.
Oh, don't you know this game really? Guys, please don't forget to like the stream.
Kill leader.
Half the squads are gone. I'm fine with that.
I think they are not chasing me anymore. Hello. Got you guys.
Picked up our teammate's banner.
Yeah, I got 3 minutes left for my ult. Kevin, what about you, brother? What games do you usually
My
play?
ult's ready.
Did Apex still War Robots or? Gonna open a portal in case we get shot. I think we should go there.
Let's go over there. I leveled up. Upgrades waiting for me. Got my upgrade. Let's see where it takes me.
Now that was awesome. Time to drop, shout, and rock.
Punching a tunnel.
All right. Hopefully this is not looted.
He's red.
Enter my queue so they will not see you.
Portal placed.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
I'll take that.
Give my shield a recharge.
Attention.
Sniper arsenal here. We can pick our enemies off from afar.
Should I go with the long bridge? Guys, go full snipers. I think that's gonna be the best
Got this weapon
option.
enhanced. Good.
Could use a weapon.
I have an extended sniper mag here. Level 2. R301 here.
I need it.
Optics
R301 here.
light ammo here.
All right, we are still alive.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 2.
Weapon enhanced. Ain't that pretty?
Light ammo here.
This guy's we're getting shot. I don't know where. From where?
Rings
Ooh,
nearby.
there's a.
1 minute till close.
Punching a tunnel.
I'll try to get the
Watch my back.
Care package over there.
flatline. Come on, man. You want this? Come take it.
Weapons enhanced. It's go time.
Portal's ready. Got an amp here. Infinite amp. Flatline here.
Double jump and longer time in the void. Like wind up.
Took down a cargo bot.
This upgrade should help.
Found an extended sniper mag here. Level 3. Barrel stable.
Go here.
Let's go this way.
Level 1. Heard that. Rápido, rápido.
I think we're gonna be good in this house. I'm gonna leave the game behind in June for May, and I will dedicate to photography set of games on the summer vacations. Now I play some War mobile games and Brawl Stars. Ooh, it's something new that you're gonna start photography, or it's something that you were already doing?
Firing.
Care package.
Oh, care package, sweet.
I remember these guys. They were chasing us all the time. These guys were chasing us all the time.
Care package over there.
Oh, G7.
Evo harvester here.
Made a hit.
Nice. Weapons looking fine.
Reloading.
Were you already doing photography thing, Kevin, or it's something new?
Little cucarachas.
Enemy shield broken.
What up, bitch?
Target over there.
You want this care package or no?
Getting shot at. Order placed.
What the heck were they doing there? Oof.
Off the mic. Spotted. Giving him the chimney. Engage grenade. Yo, cracked an enemy shield. Charging on my shields.
Enemy spotted. Enemy shield broken. Fire. Regroup here, now.
Attention.
Frag out. Another squad attacking. Focus. Frag out. Throwing arc star. Arc star out.
Cracked an enemy shield.
Grenade out. Grenade. Need to recharge. my
Guys, I need you.
Come on in. Open
They were low. They were low, man.
45 seconds. Rings crashed.
It will help me.
Patching myself up.
popping smoke.
Help me! Hello!
Target. I've been
Oh my god, you fucking suck, dude. Where did you go?
Arc star out. It's go time. Frag out.
You don't speak, you don't say you're going. I shoot on them.
Let's go here. I need shields. Healing. Watch my back. Come on, come
I'm back. I'm not trying to do photography with my phone, but yeah, I would say it's new for me. Okay, that's not good. Bad idea. I really wish you good luck, brother.
better patch myself up. I'm pretty.
This one is coming. I'm gonna open a portal. Come to me, come to me, come to me.
Let's go this way.
I'm gonna open a portal.
I need help. Let's disrupt.
Come, come, come.
Punching a tunnel.
Stay in my portal. They won't see you if you stay there.
Care package. Sweet.
I set the portal. I be med kit. Shooter, move.
Pop in the chimney.
I think someone's charging me. Reloading. Look out, grenade. Care package over there.
Charging shields. Come on, come on. It's go time.
Just us now.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
This fire. I'm taking shots.
Idiot.
Reloading.
Delivering.
Replicator coming down.
I need shields.
I wanna kill this guy. I don't have, bro. I don't have. We have to kill these guys.
Leader has been eliminated.
Shake a leg. We've only got a minute. Ooh, that's got a kick.
Follow me, follow me. We're gonna kill one of these guys. We need to kill them. He might take this jump tower.
Zipline over there.
45 seconds till ring close, amigos. Don't make me carry you.
Follow me, we can kill this guy. The fuse.
Contact with target. 30 seconds left. Going to phase.
Oh. Oh my god, dude. I thought I was rampart, man. They were so low, dude. I could kill them easily. We had no heals. That's right. We had no heals. We had to kill them.
Amp here. Infinite.
So bad, man. I gotta go sleep tomorrow, last day before Easter holidays. I hope you have wonderful time, brother. Wish you great moments in your holidays. And if you do good shots with your phone, let us know so we will check your art. Good night, brother. Good night. La 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 la. Hello, my friends. Old gamer here.
Mine are made of steel.
What's up?
Challenges, you better watch out for me.
Introducing your champion.
What's everyone's game plan? Hot drop? Turtle? Rat? Or what?
Do you love kebab?
All right, mates. We could try here or die somewhere else. No pressure. Let's show these fools why their parents never loved them.
Are you guys playing solo or friends?
What?
Are you playing solo or you are friends?
Yeah, yeah.
Watch it. Baddie landed near me.
Love me an LMG.
Didn't think this thing could get more powerful.
Looking real pretty now.
Go.
Enemy taken down. Charging my shields. Tossing up some amped cover.
Evil harvesters.
Backing up my cover. Tossing a frag.
Oh, no. There's another squad.
One enemy.
Very low.
Heads up. We're not alone. I got some bad guys here.
Yeah, man, we were getting shot by other teams, so we had to fight with these guys.
Hey, mate. We're down one.
Cracked an enemy shield. Down one. Got the venom. You're safe with Gibraltar.
Healing up. Hold on.
Contact with target.
Your name.
Where?
Closing.
Hostile right here. Looks like we're in the next ring.
felt slow. Life on the edge is trickier when you've got bad balance. Frag out.
Yeah, full team. Let's bring Octane. Come.
Tossing up some amp cover. Enemy shield broken. Took down an enemy.
Recharging shields.
Cracked an enemy's shield.
You got this, okay? I'm gonna kill this guy.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Well done, mates. Time to go.
The champion has been eliminated.
Killed an enemy.
I've tinkered my way. Enemy's shield broke.
You fucking serious? 1 HP, but I don't have ammo.
Upgraded and ready to take him for a test run.
Got no ammo.
I need light ammo. Give me a sec. Healing.
Enhance this weapon. He's looking bad to the bone.
Faster, faster, faster.
It's loot!
Someone's already been there. Place is a bit battered. Putting up some amped cover.
Oh yeah!
Grenade, heads up. Taking damage. Tossing off guard. Amped cover for you, mate. Keep your mess out of the path, ladies and gentlemen. Enemy taken down.
Different team?
This one's free. Remember that.
They'll never shoot through this. Bring
No,
it down.
we got an airstrike coming down.
Hey, I'm getting shot.
Putting up some amped cover. Enemy's shield broke.
Push! They have a deep castle.
Charging shield.
Crazy, man.
Amped cover for you, mate. Light ammo.
Yeah, very low. I have no ammo.
I'm out of light ammo. Charging my
Light ammo here.
shields. Dibs.
You have to push, man. They are gonna heal. Both very low.
Frag out.
They're shooting at me. Grab the bad new shield.
Enemy taken down.
Throwing some colorful rocks. Give me my shield to recharge. You're the killer.
Knocked out. Enemy down.
Reloading.
Tossing up my cover.
Heal up.
Out some amped cover. Give me a sec. Healing.
Company. Don't move.
I'm down.
What is down? No. Unlucky, man. Oof.
Replicator.
Friend over here.
We did so much damage, dude. Holy shit. Hey. 2k damage?
They speak English. I see this
sky beyond.
Ah, you know what they say. It ain't great unless it's got a rampart written on it.
No heart to calm. Perfection.
This is your champion.
Roam fast, hit fast, win fast.
Can you feel that? The heat of the flame calls to us all.
Hello, my friends.
Woohoo! Bring the party! Some plonkers have been there.
Weapon shines.
Could have at least tidied up. No respect.
Find them. Enemy at that location.
I could use a weapon. What is some plonkers shooting at me? Charging my shields.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
First blood.
This way back.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
I got no weapon. What the
I
fuck?
need a weapon. Whew, nothing does me better than an LMG.
Are you serious, man?
Light ammo here.
Yeah, I could use that.
I dropped the mag here.
Found a heavy ammo here. Shot a cargo box. I'll take it, mate.
Selfish bitch.
Antagonist in sight and close.
Enemy far off. Shooting. Enemy not so fast. Time to find you. I'm under fire. Reloading. Shields are depleted. Recharging. We're already in the next ring.
Where?
Now,
On top
we
or
wait.
here?
Enemy OT.
Antagonist in sight and close.
Not so fast. Time to find you.
Octane has blue armor. Oh, they all have. We don't know how many teams are around, so come to us
Backing up my cover.
in case they
Putting
push
up
you
some amped
solo.
cover.
Reloading. Care package incoming.
I think they are leaving. They are leaving.
Move that way,
Targeting
mates.
that spot.
Yeah,
There is a new kill leader.
We've got a new kill leader.
get the high ground.
I love this place.
Healing.
Where did they go?
Our enemies have been found. Look to your map if you want.
Mates, that's one sad enemy over there.
Found by my hand.
Hidden enemy. Tracking enemy shield. Took down an enemy.
Ash, can you ult here? Ult here?
That way.
Get closer, get closer.
Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world. Or a few plonkers, at least.
They're still far away. Come on!
Base air ready.
I think we are too late, but it's okay.
Eliminate the enemy.
Are they hot?
Up. Enemy shield down.
Found by my
I stuck one. Octane.
Charging my shields.
Have to heal. I don't have medkit. Chill, 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 chill.
Early cry.
Where? On the burning?
Throwing thermite.
In the left
Charging
corner.
my shields.
Here.
What's in this spot? Heavy ammo here.
Okay, we shoot.
Took down an enemy.
It jumped out.
Some floaters shooting at me. Throwing thermite.
I've been down.
Putting up some ammo.
Oh, he's one shot. Very low. But that's right.
Your skill wasn't that bad.
I don't know what else we had to do, man.
Evac tower here.
Lifeline difference, lifeline.
Yo, I'm at the max level. Trust me, I know if there was a more max level. Grabbed an upgrade, let's go. Booyah!
My teammates had to be a bit more aggressive, man. They only did 100 damage? Come on. La, 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 la. Alright, let's try again, man. Hopefully this time it's gonna be different.
If I get taken out, it better be with a rampa.
Cara, por favor.
This is your champion.
Claro. ¿Cómo? Shush.
Champion eliminated.
Hello, my friends.
Stay out of my way.
I need the sniper.
Let's check out over there, mates.
Yo, what's up?
I need the sniper.
Okay, fine, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
We're gonna snipe them all.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Escape's not an option.
Wingman here.
Find a better weapon, man.
They won't stand a chance.
I'm ready, whatever.
Peacekeeper here. Could have something good here.
Yeah, me too.
Lovely idea. I see someone over there. Enemy there.
Oh, so sorry, man.
I'm covered
Oh,
for
no,
your
over there
mates.
as well. Oh, look, look, to the right, too.
Last one in the store. Enemy's shield slow.
My time was low.
Enemy that way.
Enemy's shield. Oi! Firing. I gained a level and an upgrade. Chal doom machate hai. Reloading. Got
Recover,
me a
bro.
new
You
upgrade.
more damage.
Can't wait to give it a spin.
Yeah, run away.
Batty! Batty!
Oh,
Full mate. Someone's shooting at me.
Target down.
Reloading.
Enemy there.
Getting shot. Someone's got a death wish. Recharging shields.
Jump drive in position. Target
you
there.
have several teams, I guess, here. You be careful. Here, close.
There's one.
Enemy there.
Recharging shields.
What the fuck?
Damn it, that hurt.
Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in.
Cover. I'm gonna. Can you rest? Can you rest? Can you rest?
I'm out of sniper ammo.
I'm going, yeah,
Yeah.
correct, they're running.
I'm watching. Yeah, leaving, I guess.
Now who's keeping
Yeah, I think they're.
Recharging my shields.
I was born.
Ah, misclicked. Whoops.
Open for business. Don't mind if I do. Extended light mag here. It's gold, like every girl's best friend.
I'm stuck with this. Two teams are fighting. One team is here.
Mates, that's one.
Yeah.
Fool spotted. I'm to cover for you, mates. Enemy shield. Fighting. Enemy spotted.
Loba, can you ult here? I ult this. Let me check if I can find the backpack. No backpack, no.
Recharging shields.
Let's go here.
Mates, check out this way.
Let's head that way.
Yeah, let's go.
Jump drive in position.
I'm to cover for you, mates. Haha, suck it.
You can't escape death.
I see someone over there.
You can also fly. If you want, we can go here.
Hey, let's check
Or
out
you
over
wanna
there,
fight?
mates.
We can just go to the zone, I don't know.
Enemy there.
Okay, let's go slowly because there's a team here.
Yeah, I'm still here. Just
Yep.
watching that. Look at that block over there. No idea they're about to die.
Looks like
So we're
solo.
going to the right? Okay.
I mean, we're gonna fight, walk and go to the zone and stay here.
Hey, mates, let's
Hey,
go
Brown.
OD.
I hear them fighting with another team, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very close.
Putting up some armed cover. up some amp cover. Enemy spotted.
Oh yeah, that Watson is building a base here on the right.
An enemy.
Woof, woof, woof.
Let's attack there.
I knocked one.
Okay, let's go.
Cross. Yeah, go, go.
There's a baddie.
On the left side, somewhere here.
Fool spotted. Cancel that.
Yeah, somewhere here.
Okay, well they're not missing at all. I don't know.
Tossing up some amped cover. Bring me close. Taking damage.
Recharging shields. Replicator
They have a GB and they rest immediately.
I don't see them at all.
They might be still there.
I have ult. We can ult, guys. Look. Oh, that's unfortunate. I fell. No, they're not here. They're running.
Yeah, they might.
Hey mates, let's go. D. Enemy over there.
There's someone over
Just
there.
waiting to be stepped on. Any takers?
1 minute until the ring closes. Still got time to loot. Nice of them.
Fuck, I missed all my shots.
Reloading.
I think we don't chase them, guys. There are 11 teams here
45
still.
seconds until the ring closes.
We
We've
stick
got
to
time,
the
but
zone.
not
Like we
much.
can go to the
Yeah,
high
but
ground.
we-
Let's check out over there, mates.
Let's move there. Activating jump drive.
Finding with that end.
Half the squads are gone. Good. More treasure for me.
Octane footstep?
Keeping one eye on this spot and another eye on you. Can't be too prepared.
Might be
Jump
wrong.
drive in position.
I need one more battery, guys. I have only
10
one.
seconds until the ring closes. Grab
you
what
have
you
extra?
need and let's go. Enemy over there. Don't let them leave.
Ring closing.
I hurt them.
Optics here. Mid-range.
Reloading.
We have long range. We go here.
Regroup to that area and don't dawdle. Don't dawdle day.
Target over there.
Care package being delivered.
Care package coming in. Feel that hype.
I'm coming with you to push
Somebody-
me.
Oh, they killed someone here.
Yeah, man. We can go. Close.
Took down an enemy.
Let's push.
Thermite out. Tossing a frag.
One
one.
shot.
Knock one more. Knocked one. Oh, that's it.
Max level. I'm so very proud of me.
Okay, one more died.
Good work, mates. Capped off that squad.
Who's shooting you?
Enemy here.
Let's go zone. Maybe.
Come on me.
Ah, they got me.
Guys, you gotta watch. I was watching you behind. Win this. Oh. They were coming from the zone. Oh my god, dude. Why don't you watch? The way we die is very stupid, I swear. I was trying to help Loba, and Loba runs away and leaves me alone. Come on. I should have gone with them, but they didn't speak. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
These legends have guts, and I plan to see them all.
Had Muppets burn down my life
I
before.
think these guys were my teammates. Previous match.
They better put up a good fight.
Yeah, not sure
I could
what we
dress
can
up for
say.
this.
I mean, I was trying to help Loba, but she just ran away, and they didn't check behind while the other team was pushing me. If they helped me, we could kill them, but they didn't help me. They were still going forward.
Guess I'm the jump master. Knew it would fall to me eventually. Desperation. All right, mates, we could try here or die somewhere else. No pressure. Here we go, mates. Let's get messy.
I'll go for the sniper.
Woohoo! Bring the party! Ah, weapon's looking real pretty now.
There are so many people. Too many people.
An enhanced weapon. You'll knock them dead.
Amped cover for you, mates. Cracked an enemy's shield. Firing. Reloading. Enemy's shield broke.
There's low.
Enemy OT.
Enemy over there. I wonder what they found.
Whole
I think
squad's
this
not
fuse is
ready.
solo, bro.
If you're gonna die, at least get shot.
Don't worry, I cracked him fully.
Cover. Grenade, heads up. There goes my cover, mates. Amped cover for you, mates.
Spreading down. Fire. I cracked an enemy shield.
Nice, nice.
Enemy down. Reloading.
Okay, it's the low.
Activating jump drive.
There are two now. Fuse inside. Solo.
Cracked fully, low, 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 low. Nice one. Two teams. Another one is cracked.
Researching shields.
I see an enemy.
Fuse still here.
Last one in the squad. We clean up good.
Setting up jump.
Give me a sec. Healing.
Warning. New movement in progress.
Taking fire. A broken
Cracked fully.
I need some ammo.
researching shields. Escape's not an option.
Reloading.
What the fuck? Is this someone?
Now you good. Up and at 'em.
I got ready.
There is a new kill leader.
Putting up some amped cover.
Package been delivered.
Cracked an enemy's shield. Backing up my cover.
Pushing on me.
Idiot.
Two of them.
Got another enemy down.
That's alright, that's alright. I think it's more.
Putting up some amped cover.
Stay. Stay behind my covers.
Under us, under us.
Oh, here.
Reloading. Good work, mates. Capped off that squad.
Looks like you know how to handle yourself.
Healing.
Well, good fight.
Good. Good work. Good job.
Yep, my fault exactly.
Healing.
Optics here. Mid-range.
Reload.
Optics here. Mid-range. Open supply bin here, mates.
Not surprisingly, there is zero heavy
Just
ammo
watching here for
nearby.
a sec, mates.
Yeah, I have only 70.
Yep,
If we had a
same.
Loba, we could find more, but we don't have a Loba.
No, we have a
We
Loba.
have
What?
over here.
I'm just trolling me.
Shops open for
Because she doesn't ult, that's why. She only ults for herself.
Heavy ammo here.
You are coming home with me tonight.
Got a mobile respawn beacon here, mates.
Loba is Loba, only for herself.
Throwing jump drive.
Okay.
Hey, mates. Ring console OT.
Ah, an enhanced weapon. You'll knock them dead. Jump drive in position.
Ah, they're resing.
Okay, cool. Let's go kill him.
I think we are late. I don't know where exactly, but I heard the sound. Where
We'll
could
get them,
it
we'll
be?
get them, don't worry.
Yeah, they right here.
Some git called in a dropship. Hey, mates. Ring console OT.
Supply bin there. I see an enemy over there.
Cargo bot shot.
I see an enemy over there.
I'll get this care package.
Vault
Here,
key
here.
here. Shield battery here. Backpack here. Level 2.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
There's someone over there.
Hey, got a 30-30 repeater here.
You can't escape. Replicator incoming. Like I need the help.
How is this?
Got an amp here. Infinite ammo. Upgraded it.
Yeah, I don't want it. I
Take
have
one
better.
test run.
There's someone over there.
They're respawning again.
They keep dying. I'll scan zone.
Optics here. Mid-range.
Don't drive
Ring
out.
console here. Anyone fancy a leg
Did we
up?
push them?
No.
Right. Got a fix on the next ring. Check your map.
We need to go for the next zone. To get a better position.
Shield battery here.
Ring's close. Still have a minute. What am... Just try.
Damaged one. Attacking enemy's shield. Shooting. Hit an enemy.
Nice.
Take off my jacket.
No, they revived, man. They have a lifeline.
We're knocked, we're going in.
Kill
Fuck it.
now or kill here.
They have a lifeline.
I'm pumped.
I didn't see-
A broken enemy shield.
Oh, don't die, don't die, don't
Knocked
die.
one, knocked one.
I'm kinda far.
Gone. Good.
I was
Yeah, all
sniping
good.
them.
Treasure for me. Another squad's attacking. We've got 30 seconds to be somewhere else if we don't want to get cooked.
Putting up some amp cover.
Invest, invest. I'm watching her. They're not chasing you.
10 seconds. Ring's close. We
Guys,
got
we need to
this.
go.
Got a jump tower over there.
We need to go to the right side.
Hey mates, let's go OT.
The ring's closing in.
Yeah, we rotate, we rotate.
I see someone
Keep
over
over
there.
there. Just thought. I'm wrong, you can kill me.
At least we are
I
safe
wonder
here.
what we'll find over there.
We know that there's nobody here. Can quickly rotate.
No escaping me.
Ooh, care package on the way. I like the sound of that.
There is, unfortunately.
What do you mean?
Throwing jump drive.
We knocked. We had a couple of knocks and they managed to get it.
Yeah, but they have lifeline, BB.
Ah, okay, makes sense.
I knew it. That's why I couldn't push.
Pop-up booster over here. Backpack. Shield battery here. Other squads have been there. I can smell the
I see an
desperation.
enemy over there.
Really? Misclick or?
He's saying not mislook.
Cargo bot shot. Shotgun bolt here. Level. Found an extended energy mag. Gold. Found a vault key. Yo, mate.
I wonder
Loot
what we'll
vault
find
over there.
Using
Medkit
jump
here.
drive. Setting up shop.
Why I felt like I'm a lover. Was trying to cue you.
Extra treasures here. You're welcome. I'm here.
Putting up some amped cover.
Okay, next one.
Finds on
I
you.
see an enemy
I
over
marked the
there.
next ring on your map. Getting my cover out of here. Laser sight here. Level 3.
Sara,
Enemy over there.
¿puedo entender por qué gritas tanto, chicas? Son ruidos.
Charge rifle here. Rings closing in 45. It's close. We can go now or kill here. Whatever. I'm pumped.
Oh, he's cracked. He's low. He's low. He's low.
Tossing off star. Tossing a flag. Rings closing in 30. It ain't far. If you're scared, well,
Enemy that way.
charging my shields.
Jump drive in position.
Enemy down. Cracked an enemy's shield. Putting up some amped cover.
Where?
Won't stand a chance against you, beautiful.
Here.
Cracked.
Backing up my cover. Enhanced a weapon.
I haven't finished pop-up if anyone needs ammo.
Either a care package is coming in or this guy's just happy to see me.
Watch out, enemy there.
Getting shot at.
Reloading.
There's a Kraber somewhere here.
Watching that spot.
Jump drive activated.
They're raising.
Got a bad one over there.
I spy an enemy.
Guys, we are so split. One more team's there.
Yeah, but we can group. I'm coming to you. They're raising.
They, but it's too late.
Try kill him.
Replicator dropping like a top.
Look. Two of them. All three. One is cracked.
Amped cover for you, mates.
One minute closes, and everything turns out for good.
Amped cover's getting packed up.
Recharging my shields.
Enemy's shield broke. Rings closing in 45. It's close. We can go now or kill here. Whatever. I'm pumped. Rings close. Got 30 Turn it up, mates. Enemy taken down. Enemy down. Class.
Impressive.
I knew there was someone.
Someone's got a death wish.
Peep, 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 peep.
Just insert shield. Recharging shields. Someone's here.
Behind this top wall.
Enemy shield broken.
Let's go.
Cracked an enemy's
Oh,
shield.
no.
Fighting. There's one, mates.
Behind that rock. Nice, guys.
That ring's closing in and we're not.
They're cooking.
Shield cord
Last
here.
one in the
Level
squad.
2.
We clean up good. Charging my shields.
We are absolutely cooking, guys.
We are so angry.
Throwing jump drive.
One is close to you, by the way.
Amped cover for you, mate. Grenade, head up. Charging my shields.
Wait, wrong way.
Behind this rock, behind.
Closes.
Enemy down.
One. Here.
This way.
This one, yeah, yeah.
Rings closing in 45.
Yep.
Close.
Right, yeah.
We can go now or kill here. Whatever.
Another team though. Crack, no shield.
Enemy shield broke. Charging my shields.
We
Careful,
aren't
careful,
done
careful.
yet. Better finish off those last.
Are they inside?
Yeah,
One more
there
team,
is
one more
something.
team, one more.
Cancel that.
Chill. Zaki, left.
Enemy OD.
They are out in the open, cracked. Fully cracked.
Which one?
I cracked an enemy shield.
I'm watching left side, okay? They don't push.
Right. Get my cover out of here.
Not two.
I'm cover for you, mate. This is the best bloody day ever! Enemy here, up close and in my freaking
And
face.
one behind. Alone. Push him. Nice, last team. One on one.
Putting up some amp cover. Out of heavy ammo. Rings closing in 45.
I'm
Fuck,
shielding,
man, I
so.
had no ammo. I had no
Nice,
ammo.
low. Unlucky. Good game, guys. Good game.
We have our Apex champions.
Man, that was a crazy game. That was a crazy game. Outras não gritei isso. Culo. I need a short break, my friends. I'll be back. All right, let's try again. Let's try again. It was fun. It was a really good game. Dun, dun. Hello, my friend.
Right. Time to turn crap into gold.
Hey, come and get it.
This is your champion.
Oh, were this guys who killed us?
I'm Jump Master. All right, if you insist.
That was crazy fun. Who's
Let's
next?
do this, brother. We got this. We just need snipers. Where should we go? Maybe a light. Where are the snipers? Can't see the snipers.
This ain't too bad of a spot. And if we die, blame our mate over there.
Go, go, go,
Let's
Mr.
show these
Jimmy.
fools why their parents never loved them. Got a full OT. Take that back. My bad.
Hence the swimming. He's looking back to the phone.
Better take a ball and chalk, mate. This place ain't for you.
Beginning ring countdown. Attention. First blood.
Good. Inside the next ring.
First blood.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go with Hemlock.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Found
we
an
got
extended
ourselves a
energy
new
mag.
kill leader.
Level 3.
Feel like I heard footsteps. I am not sure.
Optics here. Sniper.
Oh, my brothers, we got extra supplies here. Backpack here. Level 2.
Yeah, I could use that.
We scan the zone and we're ready.
Right. Got a fix on the next ring. Check your map. We could go over there. Just a thought. If I'm wrong, you can kill me.
Copy that.
There goes the champion. I hardly
Gibi, how do you find this latest updates?
Warning. New closing.
We got some good news. We're in the
How
next
do you
ring.
find the latest changes? Like GB changes, rate changes. Yeah, I ask you if you like or hate it.
Attention. Delivering care.
Either a care package is coming in or the sky's just happy to see me.
Oh. You speak Turkish? Espanol? Encaustic but GB. But really? Haven't tried GB yet. Haven't tried GB yet. I mean,
Enhanced a weapon.
not
How's
too
that work for a field kit?
didn't test it well. Ba-dum, ba-da-bum,
Give me my shield to
bum,
recharge.
ba-dum, ba-dum. Are you serious, man? What's happening?
Enhance this weapon. It's looking back to the phone.
Deploying an evac tower. Time for a dine and dash.
I thought I have jumped my evac tower, not jump tower. Someone watching us? Oh.
Backpack here. Level 2. Shield battery here.
Okay, let's go. Ooh, look at this.
Look at that plonker over there.
Heard that?
No idea they're about to die. Hey, mates.
I wonder how
let's
many
go
are
deep.
they. There's sound sync issue. I see one.
There's a baddie.
GB.
Cracked an enemy's shield. Damaged one. Some dropped.
What the fuck?
Tossing up
What's
some
good for
amp
me?
cover. Another squad's been through there. Healing up. Hold on.
Like somewhere here.
Watching over there. Cracked an enemy's shield. Hit an enemy.
1 minute, man.
Shield broke. Leveled up. Ha, I'm getting to mod me. Can't forget the upgrade though. Ha, better than ever. Tossing up some amped cover. Healing up. Hold on. Hit an enemy. Didn't even have to take off my jacket. Next ringing close. Reloading. Hit an enemy. Take off my jacket.
Taking damage over here.
How did they hit you?
Hit an enemy. Didn't even have to take off my jacket. Damaged one.
But these guys are so bad, man.
Reloading. Damaged one. There goes my cover, mates. Tossing up some amp cover. Healing
You should
up,
have picked
hold on.
the sniper, so
Damaged one. Enemy's shield broke. Hit an enemy. Didn't even have to take off my jacket. Reloading.
I'm doing tons of damage.
Hit an enemy. Didn't even have to take off my jacket.
Far ring, 45 seconds.
I feel like there's an octane behind us.
Half the squad's
What is
left.
happening, man?
Better put on your dancing shoes. We're headed to a funeral.
Wow, they're. This is position to right side.
We could go over there. Just a thought. If I'm wrong, you can kill me.
Yeah, you need to pick a sniper. Take
Let's check out over there, mates.
Lombo is the best Lombo.
Found an extended energy mag. Level 3. Got some sniper ammo here.
Enhance this weapon. It's looking bad to the bone.
Care package being delivered.
Care package. I love these things.
Zipline right here, mates.
You have heals?
Syringe here.
Gotta heal. Take it easy. Extra supplies here. I love that.
Funny, GB.
Level 3.
Ooh.
Dibs. Ultimate accelerant here.
Recharging shield.
Green batteries? I have so many.
Gotta heal. Taking a knee.
Problem that I don't have any medkits.
Enemy shield. I'm getting
Nice, yes, you're doing it now.
Replicator being delivered.
shot. Healing up. Give me a sec. Say it brought us. Replicator.
Tatareki. Down.
Fuck, man. I got the zone. I have medkit.
1 minute. Throwing some cover for my brother. Don't worry, my brother. You're gonna be okay. You broke this here.
Let's check out this way. 45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. Move it or lose it. Regroup there.
Healing up. Give me a second. Not far from the ring.
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
Giving my shields a recharge. New kill leader. Heads up.
I'll check if there are people here on the roof. They are. Let's rotate. Try to go here.
Hey, let's check out over there, mates.
Warning.
They're gonna
Roof closing.
look at us.
Inside the next ring. Get ready for the Mazza.
I'm getting shot. Hey, care package.
I'm cover for you, mates.
Idiot.
Grenade.
They had to push, then they
Look out, brothers.
fell
Get
backwards.
another squad. Don't go, brothers. I've been down.
You good?
I got you, man.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Using a Phoenix kit. Hey, replicator falling from the skies.
Kill leader eliminated.
Good you, man. Oh, we have to go to the next zone.
Closes in a minute.
Hey, mates. Let's go OT.
Heard that.
Hey, this way sound good.
Enemy over it.
Hold this house.
Amped cover for
Over
you,
here.
mates. Got one here, looks scared. I don't blame you. 10 seconds. Ring's close. We got this.
Contact. Throwing.
Charging my shield.
Warning. Room closing.
Looks like we're in the next ring. Good.
Putting up some. There's an enemy.
Here.
Watching this spot. Backing up my cover.
This is our house, bitch.
Putting up some amped cover. Max level? I'm so very proud of me. Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world. Or a few plonkers at least. Reloading.
Hey.
Putting up some amped cover.
Good news. We're in the next ring.
Where did the other two go?
Hold on.
Taking fire, brothers.
That's
One down.
Amped cover for you, mates.
where?
Backing up my cover. cover.
What's here?
Fool spotted. Enemy shield broke. Another shield. Crap! I'm
Fuck.
down.
Oh, fuck.
Don't shield out. Come on, my brother. Jimmy's got your back. Move it. Looks like we're in the next ring.
Charging my shields.
Oh my goodness.
Down.
No worries, brother. I got you.
Charging my shields. Backing up my cover. I'm cover for you, mate. Enemy taken down. Ha ha! Spike! Charging my shields. Getting shot at.
It's a bit here.
My cover. Putting up some cover. Give me a sec. Healing.
Ring so far. Reload.
Push here. Backing up my cover. Ring's close. Got 30 seconds. Let's turn it up, mates.
Taking damage over here.
Blonkers! Right. That was the last one in the squad.
Giving my shield a recharge. Nice.
Respawn beacon deployed. Right. 10 seconds. Rings nearby. Get that blood pumping.
Yeah, we chill. Good here, we good here.
Let's go here, mates.
In progress.
Final ring. Let's
Putting
get
up some
close.
amped cover. Enemy taken down.
What?
Charging my shields. Amped cover for you, mates.
Go. Bad, sorry. That's right, bro. That's right. Really good. I wish you were with me, man. I wish you were with me.
Let's regroup here. The enemy is moving in. Enemy close.
I wish you were with me. How did? Ah, okay, it was a Kraber. Ooh, she was brave.
We have our Apex
Okay, we
champions.
gifted the victory to this guys.
Ranked up. Wicked.
It was a good game. We were two and we did really good. Hello, my friends.
Knock you off the ledge. I am the one who put you there.
Hey, we both woke up today. Not a bad start.
Let's go find them all.
This is your champion.
We should avoid there. It's not what we're looking for.
Here we go. Ready up.
There are several teams.
Target landed here. Wrong choice. I'm getting hit over here. Void running.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit. Putting up some armed cover. Cracked an enemy's shield. Another squad. Giving my shields a recharge. I'm down.
Oh, man. Run. Motherfuckers, man. Hello, my friends.
Always open to a collab, mate. Better pull your weight, though, eh?
Keep together and keep it together. That's how I a little pressure. Take a peek at the darkness inside.
Introducing your champion.
Let old man Fusey show you ankle biters how we did it back in the day.
Better run and hide.
Win this.
Bring the party!
I'll be there
Headed over there.
or here.
Enemy landed near me.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Where did they go?
Right, getting my cover out of here.
They went around.
Enemy here. Firing on enemy.
Which one? Which one? Which one? Pink.
White, target there.
There's a cool mix. That's an enemy's shield.
Shield recharging.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Heads up. You're fighting them now, alright?
Already enemy screen.
Bang!
To us.
Grenade, watch it! Getting shot at. Charging my shields.
Target over there.
I want to kill this guy.
Attention. First blood.
The battle
Leave.
happens quick. Be ready.
Getting shot at. Cracked an enemy's shield.
Showing up, sir.
Kill leader.
It's one shot. 1 million HP. Nice. Nice.
Hostile close. Spotted an enemy there.
Charging my shields.
Speed shot.
You're coming with me. Stay alive. We're all in. Another enemy down.
Shield broke.
Last one down and a boom boom.
Enemy there. Ready fire.
Putting up some amped guns. Enemy's shield broke.
Looks like a care package is coming in.
Tossing a frag.
Taking that.
Tossing Oxstar. Throwing thermite.
Got my weapon in hand.
Giving attack this area. Some guns
Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
Always ready with the fallback.
They have cancel.
Yeah, take you up. He'll pick you up.
using a void nexus, mates. I need shields.
Battery.
Been shot at. Enemy shield cracked.
Hey, using a voice.
Amped cover for you, mate. Enemy's shield broke. Reloading.
Tossing a thermite.
Tossing up some amped cover. Enemy's shield broke.
Stun them.
I need shields.
Me too, bro. You have nothing. You can go here to loot.
OT, let's go.
Shield battery, here.
Go here.
Some plunkers shooting at me. Putting up some amped cover.
Wow, so kind. Thanks.
I got
Kiss him.
you. Now keep moving.
I suck.
Dereki.
Have gone, man. We had nothing to loot. Just leave, guys, if you can.
Enemy down. Halo's out. Get inside and get right. Heads up. Hostile right here.
Another heavy ammo.
Heal up, heal up.
I'm the kill leader. No run with me. Contact.
Natural, guys. Sorry, my bad. I played very, very bad. This is very crazy, man. He clipped the lifeline, man. Because he's controller. Hello, my friends. Hello, hello, hello.
Another chest to train. Good. We don't want to get rusty.
Always open to a collab, mate. Better pull your weight, though, eh?
This is your champion.
All right, mates, we could try here or die somewhere else. No pressure. Bring the party!
We're gonna get Lombo and we're gonna cook them.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Enhance my weapon.
Right.
Feels stronger, doesn't it?
Someone land here?
Laser sight here. Level 2.
Fire. Not so fast. Time to bind. Recharging.
Where?
Over here. Got a target.
I'm down.
Wait, wait.
I knocked one. One is here. Come.
No, I'm gonna craft you.
Bro, why
Have
you
a
land
longbow.
solo? For real? Why you land solo, bro?
Go back to
Come
solo,
with us,
please.
Ring's pretty close. Got 45, so I'm not tripping just yet.
New kill leader appointed. Attention, the champions for the win.
Okay, brother. You can lead the
Ring's
game.
nearby, and I got 30 seconds on the clock. Easy.
I'm gonna waste my time with you guys.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Exactly. I suck, man. There's no other reason.
10 more seconds. Ring's close. Getting more of the
I'm gonna waste
apple
my time with you guys. You can leave.
Tossing up some amped cover. Cracked an enemy's shield. Someone's just shooting at me. Giving my shields a recharge. Healing up. Hold on.
Care package being delivered. New kill leader appointed.
Only half the squad's left. Another day, another anxiety attack. pretty now.
You're fucking 200 level, man. When you die, you gotta shut up.
Don't sweat it. I saved the day. Got their banner. Putting up some amped cover. Leveled up. Ha! I'm getting to mod me. Can't forget the upgrade though. Giving my shields a recharge.
I'm back. I guess that's what friends are for.
Attention. The kill has been made. Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Ah, new kill leader. Right in front of me. They ain't much. Still in his shield.
Taking fire. Airstrike incoming.
Tossing a frag.
Care package there.
Thermite out. Took down an enemy. Something was shooting at me. Watch it. Airstrike. Kill the bunker. Charging my shields.
Another squad is on us.
Crap, I'm down.
Enemy shield cracked.
Oh, you can't rest. You can't rest. Let's go.
Better take a ball and chalk, mate. This place ain't for you.
I think you can res us.
What?
You can res us. You can res us. They're under chasing us.
Really?
1 minute until the ring closes.
Why are you going away? Stop!
Focus. Do not let them best you again. 45
Don't want me
seconds.
to
I
res.
think this guy is.
The ring is
Shields
target
are low.
close.
This is the first time he's resing someone.
Putting up some amped cover.
They are running away from me.
Using my phoenix
Dude,
kit.
why are you complaining for everything? Are you Counter-Strike
Yeah.
player?
Yes.
Ah, I see that.
Shield cell here.
Because I have no idea about this game.
Thanks. You know, I'll use this for good. Repairing damages.
Kill leader appointed.
Ooh, new kill leader out there to play with.
Backpack here. Level 2. Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Good, same spot. We have so many loot there. I will take the jump tower and go here.
Hey mates, let's go OT. We're all outside the
Oh
ring.
my god.
Backing up my cover.
Your mic is so loud, man. Noisy.
Syringe here.
Attention. Delivery in progress.
care packages coming in, or the sky's just happy to see me. Give me a sec. Healing.
Reload.
Attention. The kill leader has been eliminated.
See this?
Shield cell here.
I'm healing. We'll be well positioned there.
Open supply bin over here.
Look. She's gonna die now.
I'm healing.
Right. Got a fix on the next ring. Check him out.
I'm under fire.
Go.
Reloading. I've been
Medkit
down.
here.
Close you.
Looks like we lost one.
Look clear.
That way.
You gonna die? Man. Gotta heal.
Heal it.
I've been down.
What are you doing?
Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's far. If you got a rocket ship, now's the time to use it.
I got a medkit for you.
Replicator dropping like it's hot. Healing up. Hold on.
There is a new kill leader.
This one's free. Remember that. Ring's close. Got a minute to hit it. Give me a sec. Healing.
I wasn't done with this world. The ring's pretty close.
Hey, this way sound good.
You left there my medkit? I'm gonna kill you.
Using meds.
Close ring. We've got 30 seconds.
Come on, we should go over here.
Nope.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Syringe here.
Who's the new kill leader making
Backpack here. Level 3. Got an amp here.
10
Bottomless
seconds to ring
batteries.
close.
I just hear medkit.
Fancy going. Got an amp here. Power booster. Shield battery here.
Warning. Ring closing.
We're all outside the ring and it's moving.
Package being delivered.
Ah, this is madness.
Fuck, this is gonna crash if you don't go fast.
Could have something good here. This place is battered. Another squad's been through.
Healer. Something. There's a dropship arriving. Aw, I like them better when they're crashing.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Pull back in place.
Enemy over there. Just waiting. Amped cover for you, mate.
A shot. Two down.
Nice. Nice.
Zipline over there.
Reloading.
There's nobody. Push with me. What do you guys see here?
There's one, mates.
Revive, please.
1 minute. Plenty of time to jam.
I've been down.
Ring's closing in 45. It's close.
Come on
You
on
can go
the
now
ult.
or kill here. Whatever. I'm bumped. Healing up. Hold on. Amped cover's getting packed up. 30 seconds before the ring closes. At least it's close. more seconds. Rings
Hold on.
close. Get out of the operative. Enemy shield broke.
In progress.
Putting up some amped cover. Enemy shield broke.
What the fuck?
Two more enemy squads and I get my bathroom break. Don't sweat it, I saved the day. Got their banner. Regroup there. I'm cover for you, mate.
They're very low. Very, very low.
Enemy here, up close in my pretty face.
No.
It's all in full HP. You're gonna kill my friend.
Got you, bro. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Nice try, nice try.
Let's go there.
Just the right buttons, and we'll have ourselves a situation.
Things get pear-shaped. I'll make it work. Always do.
They can do it. I can. Let's shine, mga kapatid.
Hello, my friends.
Come on, guys, let's win.
Introducing your champion. Every decision counts.
Sorry, my ears don't hear well. What did you say?
Yes. Let's go, everyone.
Let's go, let's go.
It'd be a good idea to land here, Deba.
Wait a second.
Jumping! Remember to keep your mouth closed for bugs! It'd be a good idea to go there.
Need a sec. Exploring that area, mates. If you need me, holler. Yo, Blancaland, close by.
Got my weapon enhanced. Dang.
Mates, that's one sad enemy over there. Shot a cargo box.
Reloading.
Got the ambush weapon.
Got a barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
Broke their shields.
I'm low on ammo. I'm out of shotgun ammo. I need heavy ammo.
Broke their shields. Enemy close.
Rings close. Got a minute to hit it.
I'm throwing it. Broke their shields.
Too slow.
I have no ammo, but it's okay. Where are they?
Putting out a gate.
Rings closing in 45. It's close. We can go now or kill
Nice.
here. Whatever. I'm pumped.
Harvesters are now available.
Anyway, I'll play for that.
it's moving. This is madness. Wicked! Got me an upgrade, mates. Must have leveled up. Upgraded and ready to take them for a test run.
Looks like we spread out. Mind your map.
Circle.
What did you say?
Except try to rotate the circle.
Yeah, got a care package coming in.
Hey, found some extra supplies. Survey beacon here.
Got the key, has opened the door.
Yo, closed door here. The things I do for my fam. Vault opened. Eyes up. There's a full Evo cache here. Backpack here. Level 3.
Setting a gate. Found where our enemies are hiding. Check your map.
So a lot of that in staging a lot of enemies.
I dropped this stuff here.
Standard stock. Shotgun bolt. Optics here. Close range. I'll add it to your tab. Ultimate accelerant here.
I'm gonna put this or no?
I can hear you, but I cannot understand what you're saying.
Better? Better?
Hmm?
Enemy over there. Amped cover for you, mates.
So the mic's not really good.
Fallback plan all set.
They hear us? I still hear us.
Amped cover's getting packed up.
Kept going. Maybe they're gonna scan us.
Putting up some amped cover.
Open up.
Here we go. Jammer time.
Tossing off stuff.
She's burning, she's burning.
One is getting hit, one is getting hit by my
Hey, an enemy there. Shot at. Enemy shield cracked.
Cracked an enemy's shield.
More down.
Enemy down.
Do we hold him?
I don't know if they rest. The guy, I think he didn't rest, you know.
Did he just run away?
There's somewhere here.
Watching here.
Yeah, she's going.
There's one, mates.
Yep. Hold on. Recharging shield.
Gonna kill that guy.
This is the best bloody day ever!
We're gonna fall
Right,
or?
getting my cover out of here.
There was a GB, different team. In front of that guy. I think we should wait and see
That's
where
right.
this zone goes.
Heads up, another squad coming in. Reloading.
Taking a third
Enemy
circle
hit,
out.
dropping in.
You run away?
Circle. I'm gonna push. Nice push. Okay.
Deploying an evac tower.
Broken enemy shield.
Give. ممكن لانه رايت.
Open there. Cut him off. Wait, target there. Enemy shield cracked. Okay. Took down an enemy.
Killed a plonker.
Oh yeah, impressive kill.
Pipe down, Susie. A minute's ticking. If we aiming to live, then that's not far with us, huh?
Go there.
Here enough. Hold on.
Firing. Got 45 seconds.
Get shot at.
Enemy shield.
Visible, visible.
Coming down.
Putting up some amp cover. Enemy's shield broke. There's a baddie.
Target down.
Oh, this guy's also low right here.
Enemy OT.
Broke their shields.
Oh, it's one. Nice.
So confusing, man. Right behind them, the different team. What's up?
Anything that plays a great data risk over?
Enemy taken down. There's one, mates. Enemy down. Alas. Tossing up some amped cover.
Is it here?
Got a bad one over there.
Using meds. Taking shots here. Enemy shield broken.
Guys, next.
Oh my god.
We lost one. Just us now, mate.
Distracting yourself. Nothing gonna
Or res here.
die. I don't think I will make the circle, but we can try.
Got a mate's banner.
Hold on. Recharging shield.
Open supply bin over here.
الله قدام كثير.
Saw my whole life flash before my eyes. It was short.
But I'll take the ult so you can take it as well.
Me.
Looks like we're spread out. Mind your mouth.
Take my portal.
Let's use it.
Yeah.
It's gonna break. Oh, you didn't take it?
بستخدم
Why can I not take the photo?
بيستخدموني يلا. بس بحط لهم واحدة قدام. هو بعد ما يستخدمونه.
Replicator. Headed into the void nexus. Ladies first, just in case.
But be careful. Too much enemy here.
Another squad's been through here.
Ring's closed. Still have a minute to mess around. Giving help.
Enemy healing up. Hold on.
Open for target
Mates,
practice.
that's one sad enemy over there. 45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. Move it or lose it. Found an enemy. Close. Any closer, I'd be behind him.
Yes. Hey. غبي لك مش مرة ثانية زي
Enemy
كذا.
squads left. If you
Come on.
haven't been pulling your weight, don't try now. We're on a roll.
Talaga? I'm the new kill leader? Astig?
Some flunkers shooting at me.
لا.
Putting up some amped cover.
داري بس ما عندي يا ولد.
Let's go there.
Rings. That's an enemy's shield.
Care package coming down.
Shot at.
ما ألعب بالناس أنا.
Healing.
انا راح اموت 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 راح اموت.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Taking shots here.
ما اقدر اسوي شيء خلاص خرني اصلا مكسورين. شوف هذا الكلب.
Over there. Got a mark.
انا كذا كلها
Maybe try to reset, but you just go.
Give me a sec. Healing. Replicator dropping in. Putting up some amped cover. An enemy's shield.
Got me, bitch.
Backing up my cover. Some flunkers shooting at me. Tossing up some amped cover. Don't sweat it. I saved the day. Up their banner. Giving my shields a recharge. Respawn beacon deployed. Tossing up some amped cover.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Already in. Getting attacked by another squad. Charging my shields.
هاي برو. لا بليز جيبني كريبر.
Enemy spotted. Can't back up over there. Trapped in enemy's shield. Wahoo! Shooting some progress.
هاي برودر. give me كريبر بليز.
Are you fucking
Amped cover
kidding
for you,
me?
mates.
Why would I give it to you?
You want one? give me كريبر.
Round 5. Beginning ring countdown.
قاعد احاول اقدم.
Don't you feel shy when you ask favor for a pro player?
1 minute. Rings close. Amped cover
عيبة
backed
عيبة.
up.
Don't ask.
عيب عيب ها. حلو طلعت عربي.
Let's defend here. Me and Sheila will lock it down.
Taking shots here.
Find us back.
Rival here.
Putting up some amped cover.
Taking shots here.
I will shut it.
يا رب هي البلايته. والله جو. والله جو.
We lost one. Just us now, mate.
يا رب ما حد يشوفني يا رب ما حد يشوفني.
Enemy's shield broke.
انا ماني موجود والله بس.
Down. Well done, mates. Time to coach.
بيتك والله.
My jam, mates. Better take a ball and chop, mate. Better take a ball and chop, mate. This place ain't you.
Take this as a mercy finish.
يا ولد الواطية. ما اقدر.
I got some bad guys here. Got trouble here.
Shots, man. We moved to the left side and we did bad.
We have our apex.
We were sandwiched between two teams. Hello, my friends.
If I ever let you down, it's probably because I grew a bit tired of carrying you.
I'm here to stay.
My friends say I've grown. I think they mean taller.
The
Or more
muffin
handsome.
lady.
Like that's even possible.
Da-dun, 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 da.
My shield, my life.
I come back if you're ever looking for a Mirage à Trois. That's where you fight 3 of me at once. Pretty sure that's what that means.
I hate to see you so upset, but I'm just so bloody happy.
Expanded supply bin there.
Follow
the leader.
Nah. Nah, mate, I'm good. Thanks. Nah. Yeah, bring the party.
I'm gonna cancel that. We'll get that. Okay.
We could go over there.
Check out this
Just
way.
thought.
Okay, enemy
What's
landing
wrong
in my
with you,
personal
mate?
bubble.
Frag out.
Hostile spotted.
Rockstar out.
The mic out. Tossing up some amped cover.
I have no weapon.
I need a weapon.
V2020.
Grenade, heads up. Giving my shields a reach out. Right, get my cover out of here.
Bamboozles for the fools, old. It works, it rhymes. Making contact. I need heavy ammo.
Amped cover for you, mates. Close. We can go now or kill
You kill
here.
thing? No?
Whatever. I'm pumped. Watching here.
It was low.
Hostile close. Alright, attack right here.
Rings close. Got 30 seconds. Let's turn it up, mates.
I have 2 bullets only.
I'm out of light ammo.
I need energy ammo.
Fuck, man.
Never mind.
Light ammo here.
I'm gonna loot.
Light ammo here.
Regroup here, brothers.
P2020 here.
Energy arsenal here.
Nemesis
ammo,
here.
my mark,
Great
my mark.
design. Next by a complete
Oh,
donut.
fine, no way.
Bye
That's the
bye.
swimmer. He's looking bad to the bone. Target spotted.
Cancel crap. Got one spotted.
Looks like we're heard that.
Charging my shields.
Going through my grenade. Get to bamboozling.
Frag out.
Solo.
Contact with target.
New kill leader appointed.
Getting shot at.
Tube supply.
I'm cover for you, mates. Enemy taken down.
Oh my god,
Enemy down.
Hostile close.
Come.
Gotta heal. Taking a knee.
Up.
Making contact with enemy.
Blanca's shooting at me.
Down one.
Let's go. We got it. What do you need? Just heavy ammo. Phoenix
I need heavy
kit.
ammo.
Gotta heal.
Direct
Taking a
heavy.
knee.
I need an alternator and a sentinel if you find it. Alternator and sentinel.
Let's check out over there.
I think I dropped the alternative here.
Survey beacon.
This way sound good? Alternator here.
Heard that. Dibs.
And ammo here.
Light ammo here. Optics here. Mid-range. Cargo bot shot.
Flatline. Heavy ammo here.
Got a optics here. Cancel that, mate.
I'm out of light ammo.
I dropped so many here.
Could have something good here.
Light ammo here.
I'll take that.
Weapon's looking real pretty now. Healing up. Hold on.
Light ammo here. Light
Barrel
ammo here.
stabilizer here. Level 3.
Alright.
Eyes on you. I marked the next ring on your map.
Go never mind.
We could go over there. Just a thought. Vault key here.
Heard that? I could use that.
Ring console here.
I got the key to the vault.
This way sound good?
Copy that. Target over there.
You watch out. Some weird bloke just about landed on top of me. Putting up some amped cover. Thermite out. Reloading. Enemy shield go.
Heads up, we got an airstrike on us.
And you get a bullet, and you get a bullet, and you get a bullet. Using a Phoenix kit.
Next ring's far. Hope you like exercise. Got it.
Tester.
Enemy killed. Damn it, don't worry.
What?
Putting up some ice cover.
I've been down.
Where?
Cracked.
Different team for sandwich. Oh my god.
Hey, got the target here.
Vault key here. Target over there. Contact.
So unlucky, man. Real sandwich. Hello, my friends. Ah, yeah.
Puppets burned down my life before. This should be a walk in the park.
Introducing your champion.
Back on Salvo, they call me the Grenado Tornado.
I'm Jumpmaster. All right, if you insist. This looks like a good place for a funeral. Here we go, mates. Let's get... Oops, never mind.
I'll go for the sniper. If you want to go somewhere else, you can go.
Smell of fresh kills in the morning.
Better take a ball and chalk, mate. This place ain't for you.
I say we move this way.
It's looking real pretty now.
Here is not a place we want to be, my brothers.
Okay.
Let's attack them. My ultimate isn't ready yet.
Don't kill each other. We're coming.
First blood.
Putting up some amped cover.
Nice job.
Enemy shield broke. Damaged one. Took down an enemy. Fool spotted.
Giving my
Issue,
shield a
please.
recharge. I'm getting shot. Haha. Throwing cover for
Enemy shield.
He's idiot.
Wicked. Got me an upgrade, mates.
news.
Must have leveled up.
Reloading.
Down.
And the cover's getting backed up.
Push him, please.
Got me a new
Revenant,
upgrade.
push.
God, enemy spotted.
Okay.
Yeah, jump. Nice.
Contact.
Charging
Get
my
him
shield.
here.
Making contact with enemy. Let's go here. Yes.
Oh.
Throwing some cover for my brothers.
Enemy shield broke.
Idiot.
Down one.
You were safe there.
Not an option.
Enemy down.
Nice. Reloading. Hostile right here.
Yep.
Firing. Cracked an enemy shield.
In progress.
Inside the next room.
Killed an enemy.
Yo, hi. Did I just kill you?
I'm cover for you, mates.
Contact with target.
Throwing grenade. Heads up. Frag out.
Down.
Some punkers shooting at me. Shield broke.
Making contact with enemy.
Took down an enemy. Putting up some. Now you good.
Don't die.
Giving my shields a recharge.
More team. Fuck, man.
Backing up my cover.
What is happening?
Amped cover's getting backed up.
Right where I want it.
Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in. Amped cover for you, mates. Enemy shield. And you get a bullet. And you get a bullet. And you get a bullet. Killed a plonker.
Fucking idiot.
Giving my shields a recharge. Casting enemy's shield. Killed a plonker. Give me a sec. Healing.
fuck is this? Good job, man. Good job. Good job. GG's, GG's.
Yeah, there are no squads near us.
You can do the same, brother. Sniper's good. Bam, 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 bam.
We fight for honor. We fight for pride. We fight for. I'm kidding. Let's just go shoot at each other.
Let's go for our
Hello, my friends. Bro was mad for dying to a sniper.
Ready for
Yes.
this dance? I lead.
Understandable. I respect.
This is your champion. There's a thin line between life and death. You'll find me there.
Bam, bam, ba-dum, ba-dum, bam.
This looks like a good place for a funeral.
Come on, young man. Jump. Are you guys AFK?
We're in this together, amici. Let's go.
Got an enhanced weapon? Ready to use it.
Nothing does me better than an LMG.
Attention. First
First fatality. Let the games begin. Ready, set, go!
round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Nice, already in the next ring. Time for a gelato? Oh, I'm kidding. Stop.
Okay.
Got an enhanced weapon? Ready to use it. Sweet. This bait. Rápido.
Backpack here. Level 2.
New kill leader appointed.
Oh, tips. New kill leader. Not for long, pal.
Are you gonna take the optic? VX?
Momento, per favore.
No?
I added the enemy's position to your map. Non c'è di che.
Shot a cargo bot.
It's mine!
Warning. Movement in progress.
Already in the next ring? Time for a gelato? Evo harvester here. Weak shields are a bad time.
Let's check out over there, mates. Some plonkers have been there. They could have at least tidied up. No respect.
Must go faster!
Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world. Or a few plonkers at least.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Care package coming in. Whoa, feel that hype,
Care
yeah?
package over there. Let's get on that. Nice. Weapons in hand.
push these guys. They are fighting here.
Hey, let's check out over there, mates.
Track it out. There's a marker there in the distance.
Care package.
Fancy going this way?
Optics here. Mid-range.
Got an amp here. Bottomless batteries. I'm upgraded and better than ever. Max level. I'm so very proud of me.
I'm coming, don't die.
Taking fire. Target scanned and tracked. Firing stinger. Charging up my shields. No, I'm down.
Where?
They're shooting at me.
Tossing Arcstar.
Just you and me. Have to move quick. Getting help.
Took down an enemy. Amped cover for you, mate.
Fuck, man. What the fuck is it cover?
There's an enemy.
Hit one.
Taking fire. Yo,
Nice.
cracked an enemy shield. Come on, faster. Come on, compadre. Get up. Come on, come on, come on. Thermite grenade.
Amped cover for you, mate.
Come on.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Ah, they're gonna rest. They are 3 now. Let's go out.
Amped cover's getting packed up.
Faster, faster, faster.
Arcstar out.
Down that one.
There's one.
Boom, another one down.
Right, get my cover out of here. There's
Throwing
an
our
enemy.
star.
Killed the champion. Some contact shooting at me. Enemy's shield broke. Reloading.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh fuck, fuck.
Another squad. Must be. Oh, yeah!
Some punkers.
Getting him back.
This way. Team, be careful.
here.
No. No.
Tossing a frag.
Stop. You good?
Putting up
Stop.
some amped cover. Reloading. Amped cover for you, mate. Shooting some blonkers. That was the last one in the squad. Thermite out. Putting up some amped cover.
Next ring far. Not for me, but same for you.
Enemy shield. Right, get my cover out of here. Enemy taken down. Knock down one more. Shield broke. Mates, another squad coming in.
Faster, faster, faster! You're the new kill leader. You're welcome.
Reloading.
Firing!
Enemy's shield.
Hitting the eject button.
Right, that was the last.
I'm down.
Pipe down, Susie. A minute's ticking. If we aiming to live, then best not foul it up, eh? Healing up, hold on. Rings far and closing in 45.
I told you to stop, man. You're so fast. You didn't stop.
Frag out.
Octane was very funny, I swear. Octane was very funny.
My mobile shield's taking a turn.
Octane was very funny, dude.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Jump tower over there.
No.
Mosey on over there.
Stop.
Stoker over there.
Bro, Octane was very funny, I swear.
Enemy taken down. Knock down one more. Another squad coming in.
You're the new kill leader. You're welcome.
Reloading. Right. That was the last. Dive down, Susie. A minute's ticking. If we aiming to live, then best not foul it up, eh? Feeling up.
Octane was really funny, man. I want to record this part. This way, team, be careful. No.
Tossing a frag.
Oh fuck. This way, team. This way, team, be careful. No.
Tossing a frag.
Stop.
Putting up some amped cover. Reloading. Amped cover for you, mate. Shooting some blonkers. That was the last one in the squad. Thermite out. Putting up some amped cover. is what I'm talking about.
Sniper stuff here. Gold tier.
I'll take it, mate.
Optics here. Sniper. I now have an enhanced weapon.
Sniper stuff here. Level 3.
Could have something good here. Yo, could use optics for a marksman.
Attention, delivering care package.
You hear that? There's a care package coming down.
Yo, brother, I'm sorry. My microphone was off. I already thanked you for the follow. I think you didn't hear me. Welcome, by the way.
I'll take it, mate.
How are we doing, by the way?
Evac tower near me.
Nothing here. Let's do this and take the sniper stock and then fly.
Level 3.
Backpack here. Level 2.
There goes the champion. Oh, I hardly knew you.
LOL, were you my teammate? Previous match or?
Amp here. Bottomless batteries.
I think he where's the sniper stock? Under. Love it. Love it.
Half the squads remain. The field has been cleared, and the
Okay,
troops
we have a
have
sniper arsenal here. We can craft a better one. Let's pick a sniper and then go. I'll go and switch.
Enemy at that location.
I'm coming!
Enhanced a weapon. Not
Oh
bad
my
work for a
god,
field
dude.
kit.
Okay. Prepare for the 6x.
Enemy far off.
Ah, thanks, Yar.
I prefer a 6x, dude. Oh, they are living.
Putting up some
They are
armed
living.
cover. Right, getting my cover out of here.
Have you seen sniper optic?
Yeah, it was one back there where we.
Somewhere here?
Hey mates, let's go OT.
Don't worry, don't worry. Gonna scan the zone.
I'm going there. You would be
I
lying
think
to
it was
follow.
over there.
Oh, I think I remember. Yeah, thank you. Gonna scan the zone and come back to you. I'm not with you. Hopefully, it's gonna give me a sniper. Sorry, jump cover.
Fine's on you. I marked the next ring on your map.
I now have an enhanced weapon. We're spread out. You're too easy to pick off.
now. Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Enemy down. Recharging up.
Replicator dropping.
Enemy shield broke.
Bye.
This will mind them. Caught like a rat in a trap.
Upgraded and ready to take him for a test drive.
Thermite out. Bound by my hand.
There go, there go.
Focus. Do not let them best you again.
Just giving my shields a recharge. One minute. Rings nearby.
Ah, they can top it.
Enemy here.
Enemy void nexus here. Keep your wits about you, especially if your name's Elliot.
These eyes lie. The ring is near.
45 seconds remain.
Tossing our stuff. Enemy down. Ring's closing in 30. It ain't far. If you're scared, wait. Too late.
Let's put you in line.
I haven't got anything from this guy.
10 seconds. Ring's close. We got this. Putting up some aft cover.
Enemy shield cracked.
Charging my shield.
These bombs aren't
I wish we had the lifeline so we could get to you.
Keep it up.
We don't have.
Enemy's shield.
Team, team, team. Team, please.
an enemy's shield. Bound by my head. Got them.
Okay, they didn't die.
Bound by my hand.
This way, let's go.
Another squad's been through there.
One thing.
We run where?
Shield battery here.
Healing.
We gotta go.
Move that way, mate.
Agreed.
Get more heals and leave here. Could get a jump tower. Never mind. There was jump tower.
Repairing damages.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Attack. Give us an edge.
Attachment. Delivering replicator.
I die.
Got a replicator coming in,
Oh, no.
mates. Running back tower. Time for a dine and dash. Healing up. Hold on. Got a bad one over there.
You can go here.
14. Let's
We
go.
have 1 minute.
Bring the party.
Dogs coming to you.
Is it
Let's
safe
check
here?
out over there, mates. Optics here. Mid-range. Just watching here for a sec, mates.
Hey, no. If I was in now, alright?
Finally!
Healing up. Hold on.
Enemy shields broke. Reloading.
Booking, she's booking.
Tossing
Where
up
are
some
they?
amped cover.
Over there.
Grenade. Heads up.
Caught with no way out. Sending an arc star.
Enemy's shield.
Bro, she one shot. Every one shot. Who the hell
Charging my
G7?
shield. Shield battery here.
Right here.
Regroup here.
One else here?
Watching this spot.
I can kill this guy. This guy's not bad.
I'm cover for you, mates.
Thermite out.
If you break someone, I'm gonna push.
Care package there.
Beginning.
This will buy them.
Down.
Got another enemy down.
Guys,
Nice shot, though.
there's only one left. Maybe come rest. Yeah, you can res lifeline.
Fucking yeah.
What did you die? Is this guy cheating?
This won't hurt. Hold on.
Is he cheating? What the heck is happened?
Amp here.
This guy's
Power
probably cheating.
booster.
I don't know how you died, guys, this fast.
Shield battery here.
Shield battery here.
I think our lifeline was good. Yeah, this guy was bad, but how this guy died this fast? I don't understand, man.
Care package over there.
Maxed out my upgrades. Upgraded. Hungry to test it out. Enemy spotted.
I'm not really sure if this guy's cheating or not.
Package over there. Let's go here.
I don't trust Race, man. Suspicious. 100,000, 500 damage. These guys have nothing. Probably this guy's smurfing, maybe.
Go there now.
I mean, I was low already. He destroyed me, man. I wanna see this guy's shots. He's controller. No, he's legit. No, he's definitely smurfing, man. Stupid. Alright. Match has ended.
We have our Apex
And
champion.
Newcastle team won. It was a good game, but unfortunately I flanked on them very well, but it wasn't enough. Let's go one more and then I will sleep. It's 1 a.m. here. La 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 dun dun dun. That's right. Hello, brothers. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. No. Just wait. Team, be careful. No, no, no. No. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. Bro, that thing was so funny, man. I'm gonna create a short video for that funny moment. It was hilarious.
I got this thing in the box.
Hasano, Hasano.
You know, whatever the case, we're winning.
Are you guys friends?
Introducing your champion.
Take a long look at me. That's the price you have.
Are you
to
watching
pay.
football while playing Might?
Nah, just Ronaldo clips.
Goal, 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 goal. Where are we going?
We can
Just a
into
thought,
the
we
air.
land here.
Yeah, so that you will have enough time to finish your videos, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Follow the leader.
First blood. Someone's having fun already.
Got extra supplies here. No need to thank me. Medkit here. Medkit here.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown. Attention. The champion has been eliminated.
This weapon is enhanced. Beautiful. Dangerous. That champion didn't really intimidate me.
Hey, we're already inside the next ring.
New kill leader. Soon to be me.
I just dropped the energy mag. Did you pick it?
Enhance my weapon.
How about this way?
It seems stronger, doesn't it?
I think I did.
What did you say? Sorry.
I just dropped the energy mag.
Use a bigger energy mag.
I think.
Extended
Yes.
energy mag here. Level 2.
Oh, there's a good weapon here. Mm.
Fancy going this way?
Yeah, we can take probably one. I think.
Enough.
sniper stock.
In progress.
Well done, mates. We're inside the next ring. We can all calm down a bit.
Someone land here?
Watching out, OT. Not a bad idea to catch them first for once.
Can go watch.
Are you playing solo or?
I'm playing solo.
So you're not friends?
No. We don't know each other.
New kill leader appointed. Attention. Delivery care package.
Oh, Mr. Low.
There's a
I don't
new
know much
kill
people
leader
play like Apex.
Backpack here. Level 2. Medkit here. Medkit here.
Why? Care package over
Shotgun
Why?
bolt here.
Care package
Level
over
2.
there. Dibs. Never mind, not that.
Scan the zone and go.
Backpack here. Level 3.
Let's scan the zone and go. Over here.
Hey, mates. Let's go, OT.
Shield battery here.
Mr. Low.
Got a fix on the next ring. Check him out. Leveled up. Ha! I'm getting to mod me.
Enhance my weapon.
Can't forget the upgrade, though.
Seems stronger, doesn't it?
Nobody has been this side of the map. The heck? I don't know, man. Should I go with this?
Go on the two.
Upgraded and ready to take him for a test run. Max level.
Are these people?
I'm so very proud of me. Cargo box shot.
Energy mag here. Level 3.
Lasers. Found an extended heavy mag here. Gold.
Yeah, chill, man. There's nobody here in the map.
Let's check out that way.
Got a key. Let's open the door.
Survey beacon over there.
The things I do for my fam. Vault up. Eyes up. There's a full Evo cache here.
Nothing useful.
I need an extended light mag.
Survey beacon over there.
Oh.
Other squads have been there. I can smell the desperation. Some blunker shooting at me. I'm cover for you, mates. Charging my shields.
Fallback plan open.
I got no bets.
I'm cover for you, mates.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Reloading. Target over there.
Tossing up some amp cover.
Firing an enemy. Being shot at.
Can't see them.
Enemy here. Tossing a frag. Tossing a frag. Arc star out. Inside the next ring. Get ready for the map.
Back up, man. Back up. I don't see those guys. Fuck it. Back up.
Mates, check out this way. Meet up here. Arc star out. Ha-ha! Bring them back. Right, get my cover out of here. Putting up some amped cover. damage.
What the fuck are these guys?
We're down to 50% left. That's
Do you have batteries? I got none.
Q battery here.
Alright, shots fired and they're hitting me. Send it on my
Reloading.
Pushing you.
Enemy
Got a bad
spotted.
guy. Bad news. I'm down.
Getting shot at.
Looks like we lost one.
Putting up some amped cover.
Throwing an arc star. Tossing a frag.
Enemy's shield broke.
Burn, bro. Burn.
Enemy firing at me.
Come tool. Come tool. Come tool. Come tool.
Use it.
I'm down.
No.
I take that back.
Why didn't take the ult back?
Don't sweat it. I saved the day. Drop
I
that
didn't
down
have time. They pushed me. 3 of them.
now. Already
Yeah,
inside
but I
the
could
ring.
kill them with
Time
my
for a
Sheila if
couple
you
rosy
could
league.
come.
Call it a day.
I missed all my shots. I don't understand. Oh fuck! They are chasing me.
Getting some damage. Charging my shields. Using a void knife.
This is crazy, man.
There's no way.
That was so fucking stupid.
Replicator there. Might have ammo. Not that Sheila needs it. She makes her own.
Did you hear that?
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown. Replicator being delivered.
Got a replicator coming in, mates.
That was so stupid, man. I swear.
Close ring in 60 seconds. Putting up some amped cover.
They fucking camping.
Ring's pretty close. Whole squad's taken out. 30 seconds before the ring closes. At least it's close. Giving my shields a recharge. Charging my shields. Ring's close. 10 seconds. Got my leg. I'm good.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Healing up. Hold on.
Man, I could res you, but this guy just left the game. I could res you, but I just didn't res you just because of this guy.
All my trust.
Replicator dropping like a tot. You against two enemy squads. Could be worse. Not teammates. Close ring in 60 seconds. I love the tension. Getting shot at. 45 seconds. Rings close. Knock him down, get the crown.
It was so stupid, man. I swear this game was so stupid.
We can go together next if you want.
I'm gonna sleep, bro. It's too late. Thanks for asking. Good luck. Yeah, it's time to sleep. That's funny, by the way.